Good morning, and welcome to another episode of the Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. When the mind is restless, we often try to solve our way into calm. We analyze, we reason, we search for the right thought. Today's quote gently redirects us. You can't think your way to peace, you have to feel your way there. This quote reminds us that peace is not a conclusion the mind reaches. It's a state the body recognizes. Thinking can explain calm, but it can't create it. The more we try to reason our way out of discomfort, the more entangled we become in it. Feeling is different. Feeling asks us to slow down and listen inwardly, to notice the breath, the posture, the sensations that signal safety or tension. When we allow ourselves to feel without fixing or judging, the nervous system settles. Peace emerges not as an idea, but as an experience. Understanding has its place. But peace arrives through presence, through allowing what is felt to be felt without resistance. When we trust sensation over speculation, the body leads the mind home. As you begin your day, notice how your body feels before trying to change how your mind thinks. As the day unfolds, when tension appears, gently bring attention to your breath or your body instead of your thoughts. And this evening, reflect on moments when feeling rather than thinking helped you return to calm. Here's a simple tool to carry with you today. When your thoughts spiral, pause and place a hand on your chest. Take one slow breath. Let sensation ground you before thought resumes. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Peace lives in the body, and calm follows awareness. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.